Hello, I'm Patryk Sokołowski, founder of FATBLACKCAT company, and these are PurrPRO Formula Pedals, the best load cell based sim racing pedals on the market. Let's start from the beginning, because the PurrPRO Formula Pedals project started during COVID, when I was working in Formula 1, and well, basically Formula 1 has stopped and we didn't know what will happen next, so I decided to start a project of my own sim racing pedals, because I wasn't satisfied with the pedals that I owned back then. And well, yeah, thousands and thousands iterations later, we are here with those two pedals. Well, PurrPRO Formula Pedals is a 2-pedal set. What you can see here is billet CNC machined aluminum construction, carbon fiber pedal plates, plastic housings, and some covers, lots of magnetic covers for convenience of use, and to quickly exchange the springs or change the settings of the pedals. And well, probably one of the first things that you will notice what is different about our pedals are those two heel plates. What we call them is active heel support. It's innovative pedal kinematics designed in a way to help you be, well, basically more precise with your inputs, leg fatigue during long racing sessions. How does it work? So when we are pressing the pedal, or maybe I will just unscrew that spring stack here, it will be easier to show that. So when we are pressing the pedal, as you can see, our heel will just lift up slightly and will be pushed slightly forward with the direction of pressing the pedal. So this way, the movement that you are doing is not only rotating the ankle joint, but also sort of moving the whole feet forward. This way, in our opinion, the motion that you are doing is much more comfortable than on well, the fixed heel support or fixed heel rest, whatever you call that, because you're not only rotating your ankle joint, but also just moving your whole leg forward. This way you'll be much more consistent on track, and well, we think your performance will improve with our pedals. As you saw, I very quickly removed that spring stack from the throttle pedal, because we have something called magnetic quick pin. So it's well, we have a magnetic system here in the pedal arm, either in throttle or brake pedal, and this way it's just a magnetic pin that it holds your spring stack very firmly during the operation of the pedal, but at the same time you can remove and change your springs or washers or, well, whatever you want to change on the pedals very quickly, and it's well, it's a toolless system, so it's very good. You probably already noticed that when I moved the throttle pedal, that we have here an hydraulic damper. It's an adjustable hydraulic damper that you can just adjust quickly by rotating the knob here at the end of the pedal. So it's a one-way hydraulic damper, so you can damper your movement or when you are pressing the pedal, but when we want to go back quickly to the starting position to be at 0% input, when we are, well, starting the braking phase to the corner, it will go back to that straight up position of the pedal very quickly. But when we will talk about that on the brake pedal, you can notice that, well, we have the spring stack here, so we have 3 stages of braking. At least we call it that way. So we have So we have the preload spring, so it's just like very light spring at the back. Then we have spring stack for the main modulation during braking, and then we have a third braking stage, and the third braking stage is, well, it's connected to the hydraulic damper here, there at the bottom. Well, not at the bottom, but under the spring stack. So we can adjust the same way by rotating the knob. We can adjust the same way the damping when we are rotating the knob here. And it's also a one-way damper, so we are only adjusting here the damping when we are pressing the pedal, when we are pressing the brake pedal. But on our brake pedal, we have the second hydraulic damper, which is under here, under the pedal, and that is connected there to the brake pedal arm, and that's one of many innovations that we are introducing here. So that's damping that we can adjust when we are releasing the pedal. So we are doing the trail braking phase of a corner. This way, this damping can be adjusted in a way that it will support us to, well, to perfect the trail braking technique during racing. So we can adjust that. You can adjust that to your like muscle system, like muscle memory or anything like that, or to your preferred feeling. In this way, we think that our brake pedal will improve your performance quite significantly on the track. This way, your trail braking technique will always be perfect. Okay, but what about that third braking stage? Because as I said, it's that, well, it's that big spring here, and it's connected to that damper. So the third braking stage on our pedals works like that. So we can adjust that damper position in relation to the brake arm, and we can create sort of a third braking stage, but in a way that will be at the point where we should be at the maximum threshold level of the tire grip. So we can adjust that point on the pedals, and well, in normal standard sim racing pedals, when you will squeeze your elastomers or springs to the maximum, you're basically squeezing the solid block of material against the load cell. And with our pedals, that big spring here will give you that nice modulation at the top end of the braking pressure for you that you will choose, because we can, well, change the springs obviously and do different combinations of the springs. So this way it will create a point on your leg, well, on your braking leg, where you will feel that you should be at your maximum tire grip. And this way our pedals should help you to improve your lap times on track. Okay, but why we have plastic covers here at the top of the pedals? So, well, let's talk about that maybe. Let me just quickly install that spring. And so basically we have a haptic system integrated into our pedals. We have two 50mm vibration exciters, and everything is integrated into our electronics, because you probably can see here that we have a DC jack connector and DC jack connector on the brake pedal too. So everything is integrated into our very compact, high precision electronics, and that whole system, whole electronics is powered by external AC/DC adapter. You have basically the full package, because we have a very sturdy, very well put aluminum construction, very nice surface finish. anodized, black anodized aluminum. We have integrated haptics. We have advanced braking system with double damping for the brake pedal and also damping for the throttle. And on top of that, we have our innovative active heel support kinematics for the pedals. So everything you see here on the pedals, basically from the start of the project, was optimized to improve your performance as a sim racer. Because we didn't want to just design another set of pedals, we wanted to give you a tool that will make you faster no matter what. And we think we achieved that because it's a really nice piece of sim racing engineering. And yeah, we hope you will like our product. We are a very small company currently. FATBLACKCAT is a family-sized company. I'm doing everything with my wife Małgorzata, and with some trusted programmer and electronics designer. So if you liked our short presentation, go to our website fatblackcat.io and you can order your own set of PurrPRO Formula pedals, currently at 995 euros, that with VAT included. And everything you see here, so the side footrest, exchangeable pedal faces with different grip levels, also for the heels, power adapter, additional springs, washers. I forgot to talk about how we mount the pedals to the sim rig. So as you can see here, we have our U-shaped mounting bracket. So we have either the slots here or the threaded holes. So you can use slots to mount the pedals to aluminum profile using additional T-nuts, or you can just bolt them directly to your pedal plate on your sim rig. So this way you have two options how to mount them to your sim rig. Everything we showed here and more will be included in one box. So one box, maximum performance, FATBLACKCAT. Visit our social media on Facebook, Instagram and X, and join our Discord server. You are always very welcome to be there and to, well, speak with us. We really like to answer your questions about, well, about the pedals, about the company, about our vision, and I hope we will see each other at the sim racing tracks quite soon.